Trinitron 9 said bye.
Hey, 334, you're sounding good around the Pistol New York video gate. Audio. You sound real good around New York, old Pistol Clear.
Appreciate you putting my name in the Hall of Fame. Hey, Trinitron 9, I appreciate you putting my name in your Hall of Fame. Hey, 334 in Texas, I'm going.
Your name is in the Hall of Fame.
Can you say put your name in the
Hall of Fame, Trinitron 9, get down.
Hey, Rhode Island, can you say 334?
1104, what's going on in your side of town? Break.
Boy, Trinitron, not a whole lot, just listening here, listening to you. You sounding good out there, too. Hey, down there.
I appreciate 1104, you always sounding good, and I know you over that Pistol Grip 127 video gig on YouTube. Take care, 1104, your friend in Brooklyn, New York, just got down, bye-bye.
Yeah, well, Trinitron, well, we're sending back for a stroke you bed, and we'll just copy some of your mail.
And that's a Trinitron 9, Roger.
Now it's 1:11 in the afternoon.
122 back.
Hey, stepchild, get out of Coney Island. Hey, stepchild, get out of Coney Island.
I gotta commend New York City and Skipland for honoring the 1:11 p.m. zone. I gotta thank everybody for honoring the 111 radio silence. I'm clear. Uh-oh, Trend, there go the neighborhood. We got them jumbo jets.
I heard your Pistol Grip. Hey, stepchild, welcome to the weekend. Stepchild, welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9 with the wave. Just got down.
Hey, Trin, we got them jumbo jets and the Concords getting ready to take off. Yo, Trin, we got them jumbo jets. There go the neighborhood.
And that's a Jumbo Jet Roger. Pistol Grip, that's a Jumbo Jet Roger. Getting ready to take off. Trinitron 9 back in the bushes.
Hello, number 9. Hello, Trinitron 9. Q2 with the radio, and I'm studying.
Hello, Ray Bag. Sounding good at my base station. And Pistol Grip 127. Get his video game rolling on YouTube. You sounding good around Coney Island. And I'm sure you made the trip to Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Trinitron 9 with the weekend wave. Bye.
Bye, Trinitron 9. Bye, Trinitron 9. Oh, Q-tip is back quiet.
And that's a Q2 Roger. Sounding real good. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, drinking 318.
I told you them jumbo jets, Trin. I told you Kennedy was releasing them jumbo jets. Take off.
Hey, Richie, I'm not grounded, Richie. Hey, Richie, I'm not grounded. I'm taking off. I see you.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Richie, you know what's something like the men from the boys? The weather. When it's bad weather out there, you know we got a good talking radio, because you can hear them. No doubt about it. The weather definitely separates the men from the boys. The weather will definitely let you know if your radio's talking or not. Wait.
Well, I don't know, Mr. Not Grounded, smart ass. Down here on the ground, it does suck.
What do you mean down on the ground? What the hell are you talking about? You on a
Yeah, I'm stuck in the middle, ain't I?
Yeah, 410. Alright. Your boys out there take care, man. It was super fine with me. I'm gonna go lay down, man, because I went 2 rounds with the snow outside, so I'm kind of busted right now. But 127, I'll get back with you.
Hey, yo, Trinitron. Right after I put this 21 in his ear, I'm going to have him running out a third time, Trent.
And I heard you, Pistol Grip. I heard you, Pistol Grip, with the 21. Bye.